Come on. Everybody take your Tamil book. Come on. First, let's see the உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் with object. Okay, kids? See? Come on, see? A, Amma, Anil, Annam. Everybody repeat. A, Amma, Anil, Annam. Next, A, Ani, Andai, Asiriyai. Repeat once again. Come on. A, Ani, Andai, Asiriyai. Next, see what is this letter? E. Everybody repeat. E. E. Inji, Ilai, Inippu. Come on. E. Inji, Ilai, Inippu. Next, see here. E. E-T, Isal. Say once again. E-T, E-T, Isal. Next, see the U letter. U, Uli, Udai, Ulaham. Up to U letter only oral I finished. Am I right? Say up to U only I am finishing here today. So it take more practice oral of this letters. See? U, Uli. U, Uli. So carpenter, he used this uli, no? Yes, for cutting the woods. He used this for shaping the wood. He used the instrument uli. Next, udai. So udai means everybody we are wearing the dress. Yes, that is we called in Tamil udai. U, uli, udai, ulaham. Okay, kids. Next, see up to U, everyone you have to take a oral practice. Okay, kids. Next, see in this word. Everybody repeat. Varathi natkal ஏழு. Come on, see in this word. Come on. What are they? ஞாயிறு, திங்கள். See the word. Everybody see the word. Every day you are writing in your note. Am I right? Yes. See. ஞாயிறு, திங்கள், செவ்வாய், புதன், வியாழன், வெள்ளி, சனி. See the word once again. வாரத்தி நாட்கள் ஏழு. அவையாவை. Come on. ஞாயிறு, திங்கள், செவ்வாய், புதன், வியாழன், வெள்ளி, சனி. Okay, kids. Next, let's see the சாவரிசை. Already we finished காவரிசை, ஞாவரிசை. Next, we are going to see the சாவரிசை. Okay, kids. Ichu plus. What is this letter? First you repeat. What is this letter? Ichu, achu. Am I right? Ichu, achu. Say repeat now. Ichu plus a, cha. Ichu plus a, cha. Ichu plus e, chi. Ichu plus e, chi. Ichu plus u, chu. Ichu plus u, chu. Ichu plus u, chu. Ichu plus a, che. Ichu plus a, che. Ichu plus I, chai. Ichu plus o, cho. Ichu plus o, cho. Ichu plus ow, chow. Okay, kids. Next, let's see the சாவரிசை written part. See the first 6 varisai only I have written here. You also take practice in your Tamil note. Okay, kids. Come on. First, ichu plus a, cha. Cha means so you don't put the dot here. So if it is not dot here means it comes a cha. Ichu plus a, cha. Next, ichu plus a, cha. So sa means first you have to write the sa. Next you have to write the துணை எழுத்து. What is this letter? துணை எழுத்து. இச்சு plus a, cha. Next see here. இச்சு plus e, chi. இச்சு plus e, chi. So Chi. First you have to write the Sa. Next you have to do the cow. See? This is C. Next, Ich plus E. Chi. For Chi, first you have to write the letter Sa. Next, on the Sa, you have to do the curve like this and roll it here. This is Chi. Next, Ich plus U. Chu. So, Chu means first you have to write the Sa. Okay kids, first you write the Sa. Again you come back the same line. Then you make a standing line. This is Su. Ich plus U. Chu. Next see here. Ich plus U. Chu. So how to make a Su? See first you have to write the Su. Afterwards in the middle of the standing line you have to do the curve like this and roll it here. This is Chu. Ma'am repeat once again. Ich plus A. Cha. Ich plus A. Cha. Ich plus E. Chi. Ich plus E. Chi. Ich plus U. Chu. Ich plus U. Chu. Okay kids? So you have to take practice oral of Sa varisai as well as you have to do the written part in your Tamil note. First 6 lines. Okay kids? Can you understand? Yes.